Welcome back, guys. This is question 41. Okay, and in this question we also have to use the Karnaugh map to simplify each expression to a minimum SOP form. Okay, so the first question we have here is A complement B complement C complement plus A B complement C plus A complement B C plus A B C complement. Okay, so that is basically the question what we have. So first of all, what we will have to do, we have to find the binary values which are used in the Karnaugh map. Okay, so here the binary value will be 0 0 0. Okay, for this term the binary value will be 1 0 1. For this term it will be 0 1 1. Okay, and for this last term it will be 1 1 0. So these are the four terms which we will have to use. So now let me draw the Karnaugh map for it. Okay, so these are basically the three variables which are A, B and C. Okay, so now these are the three variables A, B here and C here. Okay, so after it what I will have to do, let me use this color for the number of bits. So this is 0 0, this is 0 1 1 1 and 1 0. Similarly here we have 0 and 1. Okay, now drawing all the cells as we have done previously. Okay, this and this. Okay, now putting values here, what I will do by putting values here, what will happen here is that the first value is 0 0 0, so it will be here. Okay, this is 1, the other one is 1 0 1, so 1 0 1 is here. Okay, 0 1 1 0 1 1 is here. Okay, and 1 1 0 1 1 0 is here. All the other terms will be 0. Okay, so we can here very clearly see that it cannot be simplified because not any 2 or 4 or 8 of the bits which are ones can be combined together. So therefore it cannot be simplified. It is very clear here that this is a separate one, this is a separate one, this is separate and this is separate one. This cannot be combined in the consecutive manners because these are very separate apart. So therefore we can say here is that it is the simplified one and no simplification is needed. Okay, so for this question no simplification is needed. Similarly for part B of my question, here this is part B, and for part B let me write it here. So part B is AC and here we have B complement plus B plus C complement. Okay, and here we have. So first of all, what we will have to do in order to find the minimum SOP form for this expression, first of all we have to simplify it. Okay, and bring it to the standard form. So therefore multiplying, first of all multiplying this with all the terms here, what I will get here AC B complement plus B dot B plus B dot C complement. Okay, so here as this is B dot B, so it will be B. Okay, because x dot x is always x, so therefore now I will have AC B complement plus B, okay, plus B dot C complement. Okay, this is these are the terms which we have. So now multiplying these term with all the terms inside of it and opening it, what I will get, let me write the simplified one. So I will get here A B complement C plus A B C. I am also arranging it in the manner that which is feasible now, and also plus A B C dot C complement. Okay, we can very clearly see here that this is C dot C, and I know that x dot x prime is always equal to 0. Okay, so therefore making this term equal to 0. Okay, so this term will be 0. Okay, so now at the end what I will have a b complement c plus a b c. Okay, so these are the terms. Now writing the binary values for them, what I will have 1 0 1 here, okay, and for here I will have 1 1 1. So these are the two binary values. Okay, now let me move down somehow. So now drawing the Karnaugh map for it, what I will have, this will be the Karnaugh map here. Okay, here we will have b a b and here c. Okay, and now writing the combination of the bits, I will have 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0 and here 0 and 1. Okay, similarly now drawing all the cells here. Okay, these are the cells. Okay, so now writing these values, so 1 0 1 is here, okay, and 1 1 1 is here. All the other terms are zeros. Okay, so these are the terms which are zeros. So now we can very clearly see that these are the two bits which can be combined together in a 2-bit form, and here also we can see that this one is constant here, also this one is also constant here. So the constant ones here are, this is a and this is c, so therefore the answer of it is AC. Okay, so therefore let me write it here. So the answer of it is AC, and this is the answer of this part. Okay, so this is AC and this is the answer of my question here. Now let me go upward as well and looking at the last part of this question, which is D E F prime plus D prime E F prime plus D prime E prime F. Okay, so let me write them here first. This is C, this is here D E F prime plus D prime E F prime plus D prime E prime and F prime. Okay, so this is basically the term. Now writing their binary values, because now the variables are D, E and F. So binary values here will be, the binary value here is 1 1 0. Okay, here 0 1 0 and here 0 0 0. Okay, so these are basically the binary values. And now drawing the Karnaugh map here. This is a Karnaugh map, and the variables here we have are the D, E and here we have F, and writing all the combinations here. Here it will be 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0 and here 0 and 1. Okay, so here these are the combinations, and drawing cells here. So these are the cells. Okay, so now after it what we will have to do, let me write the values of 1 for the combinations which we have found here. So 1 1 0 is here, let me write 1 here, 0 1 0 is here, writing 1 here and here 1 as well. So these are all others as zeros. Okay, so now after it we can see that this is a one combination of two ones where only any two of the bits can be constant. So here the 0 is constant and this another 0 is also constant. So here for this one we can write that the constant ones are D prime, because this is 0, and F prime. Okay, and similarly another combination what we have here is this one. Okay, and here we can see that this 0 is also constant, while here we have F constant. So therefore sorry, here we have E constant. So therefore E F prime. Okay, so therefore now these are the two simplified values which we have. So now writing the simplified version of it, what I will get D prime f prime plus e f prime, and that is basically the answer of the question part C. Okay, so that's it for today, in which we have solved the three parts of our questions, and we have seen that how to find the simplified version of any expression by using the Karnaugh map. I hope you understood all the steps, and I will see you with some more interesting questions in our upcoming video. Till then, take care of yourself, and I will see you soon.